In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can save a TikTok draft to your gallery. Now, before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we could help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, obviously, create your video like normal. And when you get to the posting screen, if you just hit drafts, it's going to go ahead and put it in the draft screen, which of course you can access by your profile page and then selecting the little draft section. From here, it's going to pop up with a page that looks something like this. Essentially, you need to select whatever draft it is that you want to save, just like so. On this screen right here, hit next. And then from here, what you need to go ahead and do is go to the post visibility and change it from everyone can view this post to only you. As soon as you go and do that, hit more options and then scroll down on here, and what you're looking for is the option for save to device. Go ahead and select that and turn it on, like mine's already on right here. After you do that, go back out, hit post, and it's going to private the post, which is going to then appear in your little private section. It'll look something like this, but it's also going to save it to your gallery and you'll be good to go. If you guys had any questions, ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out. Let us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.